So a topic of conversation in our office all the time is, what series are you watching on TV? What's your favorite shows? Let's talk a little bit about that. So we do real estate 24/7, as you guys all know. And then we go home, and when we relax, we tend to turn on real estate shows. So let's talk about those a little bit. Agents like or love real estate series or shows that really portray more realistic aspects of buying and selling homes. We also really kind of focus in on some of the shows that really help people see the compromise necessary in buying or selling. They like shows that are more realistic when it comes to renovation information, and a lot of shows really key in on that today, and some you'll notice do a much better job than others when it comes to showing you how to do some of the projects or teaching you some things along the way. Agents also said that viewers like a unique peek into how the real process of buying and selling works. Some shows earn top marks for creativity. Shows that have good followers also seem to have a wide price range, so you learn a little bit about that first-time house or that house that someone's bought 5 or 6 or 7 times down the line. Netflix. All right, so we are junkies on the streaming platforms too, but Netflix have become popular to watch, but unpopular to us as agents because they over-dramatize issues within the office. Not so much buyers and sellers issues, but personal issues within offices. Really unrealistic. Most offices are a very, very professional place to work. Why I say that is office chit-chat can actually hurt buyers or sellers if they're looking to buy or sell a home. On one of the dramas that we watch, they really sit down around a table or in an office and talk about what you offered on the same house as someone else, and the bidding is still going on. Really can be detrimental to a real estate transaction. There are also some feedback that we acquired that home renovation shows on the negative side can be unrealistic. And some of those are the real popular shows that I love to tune into. But on the reality side of it, they're not giving you the details. Who's paying? Is the furniture included in that bid? Is their overall budget to include all of those pieces and parts, including design? And really probably the most negative feedback after acquiring some information is the oversimplifying the process of buying and selling. It really is a real detailed process that we hope, if you have any questions with, you'll reach out to us. But enjoy your favorite shows. We do, nightly, on the weekends. When we have a spare few minutes, guess what we're watching? Real estate shows. Thanks. Again, if you have any questions, reach out to us direct.